A warm welcome to all of you. Today we'll explore protozoology in detail, including the structure of protozoa, their nuclei, locomotion, stages of life cycle, and modes of nutrition. Let us begin with protozoology. Protozoology is a branch of biological sciences that deals with the study of protozoans. Protozoans are unicellular, eukaryotic, chemoheterotrophic organisms. Their different cellular activities are carried out by specialized organelles such as the endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, and lysosomes. Although they are unicellular, protozoa show a much higher level of complexity compared to bacteria. Like multicellular organisms, their DNA is organized into chromosomes within a true nucleus. More than 45,000 species of protozoa have been identified. Most of them are free-living, while only a small number are parasitic. Protozoa do not have a rigid cell wall outside the cell membrane. The protozoan cell consists of a nucleus and cytoplasm. The nucleus is made up of a nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, and nucleolus, while the cytoplasm is the extranuclear part. Protozoa obtain energy by absorbing organic material, not through photosynthesis, as they lack chloroplasts. Some protozoa exist in two main stages. The first stage is the trophozoite stage. This is the feeding and growing stage of protozoa. This stage is active and responsible for reproduction and metabolism. The second stage is the cyst stage. In this stage, protozoa form a protective capsule called a cyst. This allows them to survive outside the host and helps in transmission to a new host. This stage is inactive and non-reproductive. For example, Entamoeba histolytica has an active amoeboid trophozoite stage and a non-motile cyst stage containing 4 nuclei. Now let us discuss the nucleus of protozoa. Protozoa have two main types of nuclei. The first is the vesicular nucleus, in which nucleoplasm is more abundant than chromatin material. This type is found in Mastigophora and in Sarcodina. The second type is the compact nucleus, in which nucleoplasm is very little or absent compared to chromatin material. This is typical of ciliates such as Balantidium. Now let us study locomotion in protozoa. Protozoa move using different structures depending on their group. First one is cilia. Cilia are fine, hair-like structures used for movement, feeding, and sensory functions. An example is Balantidium. Second mode of locomotion is flagella. Flagella are whip-like structures arising from basal bodies. They are found in organisms such as Trypanosoma and Leishmania. Third is pseudopodia. Pseudopodia are temporary cytoplasmic extensions used for movement and feeding. They are also called false feet and are common in amoeba. The last is apicomplexan. Apicomplexan parasites use a special type of movement called gliding motility, which helps them move through tissues and host cells. They are found in organisms such as Plasmodium and Toxoplasma. Now let us discuss nutrition in protozoa. Protozoa are classified into 3 types based on their nutrition. The first type is holophytic protozoa, which can synthesize carbohydrates using chlorophyll. These are not important as disease-causing organisms. The second type is holozoic protozoa. These organisms feed on other living organisms or host tissues using cytosomes. They are parasitic in nature. Examples include Balantidium coli and Entamoeba species. The third type is saprozoic protozoa. These absorb dissolved nutrients directly through the cell membrane. Now let us understand the feeding mechanisms in protozoa. The first mechanism is pinocytosis, where protozoa take in liquid food by forming small membrane invaginations. The second is phagocytosis, where solid food particles are engulfed. The third mechanism is diffusion, where nutrients move across the cell membrane through biochemical processes. The fourth is cytostomal feeding, where food is directed into a cytostome or cell mouth using cilia. This is commonly seen in ciliates. In the next lecture, we will study reproduction in protozoans in a simple and easy way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning.